High-value women understand one simple truth. The internet has changed the way money is made. You no longer need permission, a fancy office, or even a traditional job to start building income. Instead of waiting for opportunities, they create them. One way many high-value women are making money online is through content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and digital communities allow women to share knowledge, experiences, and ideas. Over time, that content can generate income through ads, partnerships, and brand collaborations. The key is consistency in providing value to people who watch or follow. Another powerful way is through digital products. High-value women turn what they know into things people can download or learn from. This could be ebooks, guides, templates, or online courses. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once, and they can continue earning money long after they are finished. Some women also make money through freelancing online. Skills like writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, and virtual assistants are in high demand. Instead of working for just one company, freelancers can work with multiple clients and build a flexible income stream. Then there's online businesses. Many women are starting small online stores selling handmade items, beauty products, digital art, or curated products they believe in. With the internet, your market isn't limited to your neighborhood. It can be the entire world. High-value women also understand the importance of investing in skills. They spend time learning things that increase their earning potential: marketing, storytelling, communication, technology, and financial literacy. The more skills you develop, the more opportunities you can create for yourself. But the biggest difference is mindset. High-value women don't wait until everything is perfect. They start where they are, learn as they go, and improve over time. They understand that building income online is not about quick money. It's about patience, creativity, and consistency. So if you're looking at your life and wondering how to create more freedom, remember this: the digital world has opened doors that never existed before. And the women who are thriving online aren't necessarily the smartest or the most connected. They're simply the ones who decided to start.